My name's Joshua Hanson. I've been at Atlassian for 11 years. I joined as a grad in 2013, and these days I'm the principal engineer on Atlassian's ML platform team. When you search for something in Jira or Confluence, there's going to be some amount of machine learning going on in the background to show you the most relevant things to you. I think with ML, the quality of the end product is mostly a function of how many times you're able to iterate on it and get to these incremental improvements. So it's really important that we get that cycle time as fast as possible. One of the big challenges that we had with it was just the workflow around creating new features was really heavyweight, sort of burdensome, and required, sometimes like weeks of effort from an engineer working on that. When really the people who are kind of driving the creation of those features are sort of data scientists and machine learning engineers who are not necessarily experts in data pipelines and things like that. We might be working with a data scientist and they would sort of define what they thought the feature should be in say a Databricks notebook. And then we would basically take that notebook and figure out how to put it into our system and actually materialize the feature and serve it. Our first sort of attempts at feature engineering took months, like 3 months. And yeah, these days it's quite viable to build a feature within 1 day with Tecton. Tecton is a game changer for the workflow and sort of the efficiency with which we're able to develop and deploy features. And I think for us to have built something comparable to it would have been a huge amount of effort and investment for us. It's allowing you to define these features in this really user-friendly way. It's allowing you to get those to production in a really efficient workflow. It's handling monitoring, it's handling online, offline consistency, and all these things that are not really obvious initially when you first start sort of building these kinds of things, but the gluing it all together, making that all work really coherently in this single package is what's been really valuable.